everyone, it's really good to see you all. So in today's video, we are going to step into tomorrow, unleashing data science careers. So today we are going on a journey into the future of data science job. Imagine a world where cool tech stuff happens and you get a front row seat. Imagine your world changing because of data. We are talking about how it's happening, what it means for you, and the exciting opportunity that comes with it. So let's get started. Firstly, the tech toolbox. Imagine this as the ultimate toolkit for data scientists, much like a superhero's utility belt. In this toolbox, we got everything from machine learning to artificial intelligence and a whole array of other cool tech tools, all neatly packed and ready for action. So now let's talk about the cross-functional collaboration. So data scientists don't work alone. They team up with other experts to create something even more awesome. It's like a superhero team up, but in the data world. Now talking about the specialization galore. So everyone has their own unique thing. In data science, you can choose what you love, whether it's predicting the future or making computer understand human language. So it's totally up to you what you want to do here. So it has a lot of opportunity and field you can come and work upon. So this is up to you. Now let's talk about the future jobs. So first in our list is data scientist. Imagine being a data detective solving mysteries hidden in the numbers. So yeah, exactly that's what data scientists do. So now second in our list for future job is AI specialist. It's like, ever thought about teaching machine to think? That's what an AI specialist does. And if you want to do the same, you can obviously come into the field of data science and become an AI specialist. Now third in our list is data engineer. So they are like the architects building the structure where data lives. So this is what basically a data engineer do. So you have a lot of opportunity in data science. You can become a data scientist, you can become an AI architect, you can become a data engineer. Now moving ahead, let's talk about future job scope. So first, you can see that in healthcare, predicting and preventing disease using data can be a very demanding job in the future, and it has a lot of scope in this area. Now second, you can see that in finance, making smart investment decisions with data-driven insights. This is also a future scope that is related to machine learning, AI, data science, and so many of these things. Now third, we can see that in retail, enhancing and understanding the customer experience through personalized recommendation. Very useful contribution using data science, AI, ML, and so on. Now let's talk about how you can do that. So continuous learning and upskilling is the only way. So the thing which you have to keep in mind when you want to come into this field is that every day you got some new technology, every day you got to work upon some new models, every day you have to learn, you have to continuously upskill yourself. So this is a very important skill that is required if you are targeting this particular domain. So I highly suggest that if you are someone who likes to continuously learn and want to upskill themselves and is interested in this particular technology, you can obviously come here. And there is a lot of scope. You can learn a lot from here. Now, as we wrap up, imagine a future where you could be the hero, making a difference with data. The possibilities are endless. And this is what this video is about, to let you know about the endless possibilities of data science. So this is just a limited information, but we have a lot of things to uncover. And yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you like it and you got some info about data science. If you have any question, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll happy to help. And this is it. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.